Today on Studio 10, David Greene from our friends with Greene and Phillips is here to talk about attorney fees and why they aren't as scary as they may seem. David, it's good to see you.
Yeah, good to see you.
Okay, let's jump into it. What do we need to know about attorney fees?
Well, number one, if the lawyers at Greene Phillips take your case, you pay nothing up front. The only way you pay anything is if we recover money for you, and we recover the money out of the third party that caused the accident. Very important to understand that. You're not paying money up front. It would always scare me to death. I mean, think about it as a young person, and if you got involved in an accident and you just didn't really know what to do, a lawyer, gosh, that would be expensive. But the nice thing about the way Greene Phillips operates is it's contingent. So I will talk to you. We will spend money on your case, investigate your case, do all sorts of work contingent upon the outcome.
Yeah.
So that's really a good deal. You only pay if we win. And generally what happens is we're able to add a tremendous amount of value to your case that you couldn't do yourself.
Yeah, good to know for sure. So let's talk about the downsides of not calling you guys after an injury.
Well, what happens is, insurance companies, they're not bad people. They're doing a job. Their job is to save money for their company. They're not. A lot of my friends are in the insurance business. I've dealt with them for years. I've taken money from my clients from them. But it's very, very important that what they typically do, they're going to try to settle the case for as little money as possible because it's good for their company. Mm-hmm. And if they call you, and a lot of people have situations where they need money, especially if you're involved in a crash. You're not working, you're down, you're out, you're hurting, you're just not sure what to do, and someone calls and says, hey, I'll give you $2,500. And you're thinking, oh my gosh, I could use $2,500. They'll come to you, or you go to them, sign a release, they pay you the $2,500 when your case may have been worth $100,000.
Right.
You just don't know. So not saying that they're bad people, but just the way they operate, they can contact you and offer you money. You may not know what your case is worth. And that's the other thing. A lawyer, like the lawyers at Greene Phillips, we're going to know exactly what the case is worth within a range, and then we can get your case settled or tried so you can get the money that you deserve.
David, what kind of cases do you guys handle?
Well, our law firm has always handled auto accident cases. Even if you don't think you're hurt in the accident, if you've got injury or damage to either car, you may want to get checked out and talk to the lawyers at Greene Phillips. Slip and falls, trip and falls, any kind of odd case. We had a case one time years ago where a person tripped over a cable line, was severely injured, and there was a claim that could be made and actually a case. So make sure if you're injured in any way, reach out to the lawyers at Greene Phillips. You can go to greenphillips.com, or you can come by 51 North Florida Street.
David, how does someone know they have a potential case?
Well, number one, just if you've got any type of injury, car accident, slip and fall, trip and fall, industrial accident, workplace injury, just talk to the lawyers at Greene Phillips. You just never know. You may actually have a case and not think you have a case. Go ahead and call us if you've been injured in any way.
All right. Well, if someone does want to call you guys or stop by, how can they do it?
It's very simple. You can go to greenphillips.com or call us at 251-300-2000.
It's just that easy. We will have their information on our website, fox10tv.com. David, it's good to see you.
Yeah, good to see you.